Hey, how you doing? Yeah, I noticed you looked a bit tired. All the university work, assignments and all that. Yeah. Sure. There's room on the couch. Let me just scooch over. There we go. My day's been pretty calm. Yeah. I came back from a jog. I saw a few pigeons. Took a few pictures of them. They were chowing down on some bread that I threw out for them. Here you go. Yeah. I'm lucky I didn't get my camera splashed with bird poop. Saw a couple more of them flying overhead of me. Yeah, it took a while for the pictures to be ready. So, I don't really mind waiting for the film and stuff to get ready. So, I know you like the way I do my photography, so I thought you'd like this one. So, come here. Someone's pretty huggable today. Yeah. You like a koala. Hugging up on me, ain't you? Yep. Yeah, we could do that. I don't mind it. If you wanna, relax and just put the work and all the luggage down for the day, then I'm content with it. I could help you get into cat space if you want. Yeah, sure. Relax. Shh. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm here. Nothing's gonna bother you or annoy you at all. Promise. Yeah. Good kitty. Aw. There you go, all the scritches. There you go. Such a good kitty. Yes, you are. Such a good kitty. The most cutest of all. So adorable, I could just squish you. Aw, look at you. Little yawn. If you want a nap, then go for it. Take a little nap. I'll be here when you wake up. For now, though, I'll be ensuring my kitty gets good scritches. Good scritches and lots of love and attention and relaxation. You work very hard and you put your whole heart into the things that you're passionate about. I know it. And I'm proud of you. Okay. Yeah. It's okay. Shh. There you go. Scritch. Scritch. Scratchy scratch. That's a good kitty. Good kitty. Good kitty. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Shh. Shh. It's okay. Easy. Easy. Just close your eyes. Relax. Mm-hmm. You're doing good. That's it. You did all the work that you had to do. All the task has been done. Now you get to rest. Okay, dude. Ease up. Shh. Shh. Mm-hmm. I spent my day waiting. It took me hours to get a decent picture of those birds. They kept moving. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Such a good kitty. Yes, you are. Such a good kitty. Easy. Easy. That's it. See? Sweet dreams. You deserve it. That's it. Shh. Shh. There we go. Relax. Easy. You're doing good, Papa. You're doing good. That's it. Shh. Yeah, there's a rooster in the background. The neighbors. It's a cute animal. A very playful one. Yeah. Easy. Shh. Easy. Shh. That's it. That's it. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Such a good job. Easy. Easy. safe. You're warm. You're protected. All is well. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Mm. Uh-huh. Yeah. Easy. It's okay. Relax. That's it. Rest nice and easy. Nice and easy. Mm-hmm. 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 There we go. Big old. Yeah. Oh. Good, good. 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 It's okay. There we go. There we go. Such a good kitty. Such a good kitty. Mm-hmm. Such a good kitty. Deserve all the love and care. Mm-hmm. 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 Easy, easy. Whoa. Easy. It's okay. It's okay, babe. You're safe. I love you. Just hold me. Just hold me. It's okay. It's okay. I'm here. I'm here. All is well. Okay. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's okay. It's okay. Shh. It's okay. I'm here. Rest. Rest. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's okay. Mm-hmm. It's okay. It's okay. Easy.